What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a review on this electric ratchet. I'll show you what we have inside. Okay, so as you see, we have a hard case. It says Boutique Tools, but I think the brand of the ratchets, Fullyea electric ratchet set. So open it up, and here we have the instructions. And here we have the ratchet. We have two batteries. We have the charger. I'm charging one of the batteries right now. We have an extension, and we have a small set of sockets. Pretty simple. It's a 3/8 drive, 40 foot-pounds. As you see, we have the 3/8 drive, forward, reverse, battery indicator light, the battery, the trigger, the lock switch, and we have an LED light. And here we have the battery power indicator, and that's pretty much it. So I got this one because I've seen several. The neck, it was around here. So I mean, there are some longer ones, but I think this one is pretty good. So let's go ahead and put the battery on, and let's go ahead and try it. Hopefully, I mean, this electric ratchet, they don't have a lot of power. It's nice to have one of these to help you on the job. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so I've been using this ratchet all day, removing pretty much all the small bolts, like the 10s, all the 10s, probably a few 13s, but pretty much doing all the job with the ratchet. You know, like the one that requires the impact. I've been using the impact, like moving the engine mount and tensioner. But all of these 10s is working very, I mean, it's very good. And the battery, so the battery lasted all day. I thought that I was gonna have to use the other one, because the other one put it to charge, and it took a few hours to charge. But it's still going. But really liked it. But that's it, guys. There you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.